Hello everyone, welcome to part 53 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are first creating the e-commerce admin panel, and we will continue working on the products module. And in this video we are going to work on the edit product details. Okay, we have seen that we are able to do that add product so far, and now we are going to work on the edit product. Okay, so I'm going to log in into admin panel once again, and here I will go to the products module here. Okay, so here we can see that we able to show all the products in the admin panel here. Okay, so we able to add the product as well from the add product form, okay, along with the product video, weight and all other fields. Okay, so we able to show these products in the data table as well. So now we are going to work on the edit product functionality. Okay, like if we want to edit any of the product, we can click on this edit link, and here you can see the product ID will go. This is the common route for both add and edit. Okay, and we are just required to send the product ID along with the add edit product route when we want to edit the product. Okay, so here we need to auto select everything that we have selected at the time of the adding of the product. Okay, so here we want to edit the product, so we want to first show all the information here in the edit form, so that the client can able to update the information of the product. Okay, so we are going to modify the add edit product function in the products controller. I'm going to open the products controller now. Okay, and here I'm going to open that. I'm going to check out that add edit product function, and here you can see that we have not added anything in the edit product. Okay, so we are going to add here dollar product. Okay, dollar product we are going to assume as an array. Okay, so I'm going to pick its information from the product find object. Okay, product is our model, and find is used to find the information of particular product from the ID. Okay, means we are going to use here $id to find the details of this particular product from this product ID. Okay, so here see, this product data is not required. We are going to use this product only. Okay, so I'm going to remove this product data that is not required. Okay, and here also see, we are not sending the product data, that is fine. Okay, so only the product. See, in the case of new, we have just taken it like the new product, and in case of edit, we are finding that product. We are finding that product from the products table. Okay, so that we can able to fetch its information and will show in the add edit product form. Here we are going to show all the information after fetching it. Okay, so message, see, in the case of edit, we are going to update the message as well, like product updated successfully. So this is the message that will go in the case of edit. Okay, so let's check out once. Like in the case of edit, everything will go fine, and we can able to save, and only the thing that we need to return the product array. Okay, so this one we are going to return to the add edit product file. Okay, so I'm going to open the add edit product. Okay, so like earlier on, we are fetching the old data. Okay, we are fetching the old data. If in case the client left any of the field, then he can able to see what he filled the last time. But now we are going to fetch the product details as well along with the old data. Okay, so here one more condition we are going to add here. Okay, you can either show the old data, you can give the preference to the old data, or you can show the product details here. So I'm going to make one more else if condition here before end. If I'm going to use one more else if, because if see, in the case if the user updates the data of the category. Okay, user updates the category. Okay, next time user can see the old category instead of this one. If in case the user not updated the category so far, he can still see the current category that exists for the product. Okay, so now I am going to add here the condition, like not empty condition once again. Okay, else if not empty, and in this case I am going to add here dollar product. Okay, $product and category ID. Okay, so this is the dollar product. Okay, this is the information that we will fetch from here. Okay, if you want to see, I'm going to show you as well, but I need to finish this one, otherwise it will show array. Okay, so in the case the category id is not empty, okay, then we are going to compare it okay, we are going to compare this category id with the category id that is coming in the for each loop. Okay, okay, or with the category id that exists for the category that is coming in the for each loop, this one. Okay, so I'm going to compare it with this one. Okay, dollar cat id. Okay, and here I'm going to add selected as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you one thing, in the case of edit, we are getting the data here, and I'm going to check out the data that what is coming in the dollar product. Okay, so that you can able to see the exact data that is coming in the edit product. Okay, so I'm going to fetch the one, so the product details of the first id. See, we are going to fetch the complete details of the C. Product ID is 1, category ID is 8, so this is the category we are going to select. Okay, product name is blue t-shirt, we are going to show the product name as the blue t-shirt. Product code this one, product color, so all this information we are going to show in our form. Okay, so I'm going to comment this one and we'll open this one in the new tab so that we can compare it as well. Okay, so here we are going to show all the information, all this information here we are going to show in the edit product form, so that the user or the client or admin can able to update all these details. Okay, so here right now select is coming, but here category id 8, what is the category id 8, we can check in our database. I'm going to open the database as well. Okay, so that we can check that which category we are going to show. Here this is the product 10 is our database. I'm going to check in the products here, see in the products as well. This is one is the category id 8, so I'm going to check the categories as well. Category id 8 is the t-shirt, so we are going to select here the t-shirts. Okay, so for selecting the t-shirts we have just added. Okay, so now I'm going to check, I'm going to see here, this is the main category. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the subcategories as well. I'm going to copy this one, and here in place of and if I'm going to paste this one as well. And product category id, I'm going to match with the subcategory id this time, and the same thing else if from and if I'm going to copy and will replace it here as well. And this time it's the subcat, so I'm going to replace it this one, sorry, not this one, this one subcat here. So let's see we able to select this one or not. I'm going to refresh and we'll see we able to select the t-shirts. Okay, so t-shirts is the category that belongs to this product, this blue t-shirt product, and while at the time of editing we able to see that t-shirt is there. Okay, you can able to update it as well. Okay, we can able to select any of the other category if you want. Okay, but here we need to show all the information of the product so that we can easily update. So now product name, product code, all the information as well we are going to update. Okay, so in the case of product name, we are going to update, like right now it's the not empty old product name. Okay, so we can put it in else as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy this one. Okay, and we'll paste it here of this one, and here I am going to put here not empty is fine, and here I am going to see old, this one I'm going to remove, and here I'm going to add dollar product, that is our array product name that is coming from our function. Okay, if it is not empty, then after that I'm going to see if it is not empty, then I'm going to show its value. Okay, its value I'm going to show here, this one I'm going to show here. If it in case it is not empty, then I'm going to show this one. Okay, so here else will come here, here, yeah, only else is required, See, this one is not required now because we can show this one in case. Okay, so I think it will work fine. Let's see. If not empty, product name is not empty, then we are going to show the product name here. That will come from the products table. And if the product name is not there, it means that the time of add, if the admin makes some mistake and we want the old data, then in else we have just put the value as the old data. Okay, so I'm going to check here that it is working or not. And here we able to fetch the old data of the product, means the existing data, not the old but the current data of the product. Okay, product name from the table. Here you can see in the products table for the first id, and its product name is blue t-shirt, and blue t-shirt is here, and blue t-shirt is coming from the table as well. Okay, the same we able to fetch here. Okay, so in the same way we are required to do for all the fields. Okay, so here I'm going to copy and we'll replace this one, and here we are going to replace this product name with the product code. Okay, like this. I'm going to copy this complete in the product color as well, and I'm going to replace it as well. Okay, and here also I'm going to replace this product code with the product color. Okay, so let's come to family color. First just check once that we able to show all the details here: product name, product code, product color. Okay, fine. Now family color. So for the family color, we need to show the data here, like family color we need to show. So for the family color as well, we are going to add in the same way like we have added in the categories earlier. Okay, we are going to add the else if condition for the family color as well. I'm going to copy this one, else if, and we'll replace it and if. I'm going to replace, first of all I'm going to replace in one, this one. Okay, here and here, see here this one is instead of category id, we are going to replace it with the family color, and here the value will come here. Okay, here instead of category id the value will come, that is red. Okay, I'm going to going to just replace this one. Okay, so here like no error is coming, fine it is. Okay, so I'm going to do this one for all, like I'm going to copy this one and replace here everywhere. Okay, with all. Later on, if these family colors will come from the database, then we are going to just use the for each loop. Okay, we can even show them from the database as well. Right now we are showing like this, but later on the best way is to fetch from the database. Okay, and we can also make separate module for family colors so that the admin can able to add as many family colors as he want. Okay, so this family colors has come into first time. Okay, I have explained you the differences okay in the last live session, and here there is one more difference here that we have not done in the Laravel 9 series, and that is the family color that comes into play for the first time in the Laravel 10 series as well. So there are many features, many new features that we are going to do in the Laravel 10. Remember me, no section module here in remember me functionality for the login. Okay, in which we are going to remember the login and password, and there is no section module in the Laravel 10 to make it more user friendly, more easy. Okay, and the categories support is up to the 3 level, and we can able to update to the 4 level as well. Okay, and there is no separate attribute images, like I have told you in the last video that we are not going to add any separate module for attribute and images. We are going to handle it in the add product form here itself. Okay, so now the family color also now comes into play, that we can even add here, that there is no family color in the Laravel 9 series. Now it's there in the Laravel 10 as well. See, there are many other features as well that we are going to do. Laravel 10, see, 50% of the new feature, more than 50% of the new feature we are going to do in the Laravel 10 series. So it is mandatory to follow. Okay, if you want to learn new things, also we are going to update the routes. See here we are declaring the routes like this, but in Laravel 10 there is the alternate way of declaring the routes that we are going to see. We are going to see very soon. We are going to update the routes as well. You can do in this way or you can do in the another way. So there are many things we are going to do in the Laravel 10 series. Okay, so let's come back here, and we are doing for the other as well. For all the modules we are just updating. Okay, see here now, only thing we need to modify this one, like green, here yellow, here black, here white, here blue, okay, orange. See, I will fetch these from the database, but right now I am going to do it like this to save the time, otherwise it will take some time. See here also we need to update. Yeah, here also we need to update. Silver, gray, okay. So see, like this it is a bit complex to do it as well. See, we can easily confused. Okay, but if we will fetch from the database, then we can easily do it in for each loop, and just option is will come just once. Okay, rest it will automatically fetch. So it is the good idea to update it, and we are going to update it in after few videos. We are going to update it as well. See here, make sure that we are doing correctly. So now we are going to see here that whether we able to select that family color. See, we able to select the family color blue. Okay, see, this one is the dark blue. We able to select the family color as blue after making this change. So let's come to the another field and see the same thing we are going to do with the other like group code. Okay, here also we are going to add and group code. I am going to add it like this. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do here for the product price as well, and we can replace this one like this, and here the product price will come. Okay, we are going to replace it with the product price, and we will again copy this one, and we will do for the product discount now. Okay, and here we are going to add for replace it like this, product discount, then product weight. Okay, so this one I'm going to copy for the product weight. Okay, so for product weight I'm going to do now like this. Okay, for product video we are going to do this one, show delete video we are going to do in the next video, but we are going to do for the fabric. Okay, fabric, these filters we are going to do, and this description, and for the remaining fields we are going to do right now. Okay, and we will try to update it as well. So for fabric, we are going to show here the fabric. Once the fabric is updated, we are going to show. Okay, so once again we can copy from there, from the select. Okay, so I'm going to copy here this one, this complete. I'm going to copy here and will paste here in fabric in the value. I'm going to paste it like this. Okay, so old first we are going to show here the fabric is coming or not. Okay, first thing is product fabric. Okay, that is coming or not. See, old is fine. Here we are going to put here the fabric, and this fabric is equal to this fabric. Okay, dollar fabric. Okay, not this one. We are going to match it with the dollar fabric. If it is there, then selected, else if product, then fabric here. Okay, this fabric here and again we are going to match it with the dollar fabric to show like this. So we are going to check now that whether we able to select the fabric here. See, make sure that it is having some value for the fabric. No value for the fabric, so we are going to choose the another product. This product is having the fabric, so I'm going to choose the another product, third id product having the third id is having the fabric. So I'm going to see cotton fabric is there, fine, it is okay. We are able to select the cotton fabric like this. Now we can able to copy this one and we'll replace, we'll add for others, and later on we are going to modify these, okay. So now we are going to modify one by one. After fabric, I'm going to do for the sleeve. Pattern. Fit. Sorry. See, for coding you need to have lot of patience, okay. If you don't have patience, then you can't do coding, okay. So there are many things that you need to do in coding, and the many times you will face lot of errors, but you need to resolve all with patience, okay. See, you need to try again and again. You will surely get bored some of the time, like the things that takes time, but in coding you need to face that, otherwise you can't become a good developer, okay. After that, we are going to do for the description, okay. And for description, once again, we are going to copy from there so that it will save our time. I'm going to copy this one and we'll put there for the description here inside this one, okay. And here I will see value will not come here, instead of value it will come like this, okay. And else then again the value will not come and it will come like this, okay. And here we are going to modify this product weight with the description like this, okay. So the same thing we are going to do for the wash care as well. Here set this, okay, for wash care, and here also we are going to do like this, okay. So now the search keyword, for search keywords as well, we are going to copy. This one is also the test area, so copy this one, and here also we are going to replace wash care with the search keywords. So for remaining, we can copy from here, because that are simple fields, okay. And yeah, simple. So here we can simply copy all and we can replace it like this, okay. Meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Sorry, this one product weight, okay. And last one is the feature item, okay. For feature item also, we are going to do here, so I'm going to copy once again, and if, and here I'm going to copy this one, product dollar product, and product is featured, here is featured, okay. If it is not empty, and we need to add here and as well, okay. Dollar product is featured equal to if it is equal to yes, then we are going to check, not like this, but we are going to make it checked, okay, like this, okay. See, this one is not required for this, okay. We can simply replace it, okay. This one is not required. Now you can check all the values are coming for the form, okay. Here you can see that select category t-shirts is we are able to select, product name is coming, product code is coming, product color is coming, family color is coming, group code, product price, product discount, product weight, Okay, product video we are going to work on the next video. We are going to show the product video, we are going to show the link for the product video, and also we able to edit as well as the delete the product video as well. Okay, fabric we able to show, sleeve, pattern, fit, occasion, description. Okay, wash care, such keywords I think we have not added so far, so we will try to edit as well, test, see everything. So now we are going to try update it, like the search keywords I'm going to add, like t-shirt. Okay, and I'm going to click on submit to see that the change is there or not. See product updated successfully, and here no change has come. I'm going to check in the once again. I'm going to open, I have closed that database. I'm going to check what is coming there. Product 10 products. Okay, I'm going to check the particular product here. Product ID is 3. I'm going to check here that what is coming for the this one, and search keyword is not there. So I'm going to check whether there is any issue with the search keywords. Here it is, search keyword ID is search keyword, fine it is, and here search keyword as well, everything seems to be fine here. But why it is not coming, we are going to debug it, debug the code as well. Add edit product, I'm going to debug it here, we're going to debug it here. Okay, and now see, I'm going to, here will add t-shirt, click on submit, and here I'm going to check in the search keyword t-shirt is coming, that is fine. And maybe we have not added here. Okay, we need to make sure that here we have added, see here we have not added, so that's why. So we need to add this one search keyword here as well, so that, so now see. Okay, fine, and now I'm going to remove this one, and we'll see we able to now add it or not. And now continue, and I'm going to see product updated successfully. I'm going to edit once again, and here I'm going to see here it's coming now. Okay, in search keyword as well. So now I'm going to make some changes, like I'm going to put this one in some other category. I'm going to put in woman shirt. Okay, just for testing. Okay, and here like I'm going to put some other, like green woman shirt, green woman t-shirt. Okay, see here I will make it like 1 2. Here I'm going to make it dark green. Okay, here I'm going to see, I'm going to select, see some wrong value, no issue, group code 1000, price like this, product discount 100. Don't see, I'm just doing okay, so just casually doing updating to save time. Just select any value, any other value. Okay, description, woman shirt, anything you can put. Okay, wash care, testing, testing I will put the testing instead of test. Okay, so search keyword t-shirt, anything you can put. Okay, so my title here, title t-shirt, description good t-shirt, keyword t-shirt once again. Okay, let's see, I'm going to click on submit and expect that all the values must update. See here, see it is coming, product update successfully. And here I'm going to edit once again and to check whether we able to update. See, woman shirt is coming, that is fine, green woman t-shirt. So product code updated, product color, family color, so everything updated, so all the information is completely updated. Okay, so our edit functionality for the product is working fine now. Okay, so in the next video we are going to work on this product video field. We are going to show the video link here, and also with the delete link we can able to delete the video as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.